Is it better to have a live band or a DJ at your wedding? If you're trying to answer this question for your own wedding, keep watching because in this video, we're going to discuss why you might choose one over the other and also why maybe you shouldn't. Welcome back, everyone. It's Leanne again with a new video to share with you while you're on your wedding planning journey. If you are new to the channel and haven't done so yet, hit subscribe so you don't miss our weekly videos. Let's get down to it. Should you hire a band or a DJ for your wedding? If you're a frequent concert goer and feel the jams best through musicians, you might want to hire a band. But if you love the original versions of songs and feel like hearing them any other way seems just not quite right, then a DJ might be for you. On the other hand, if you like to hear your dance songs in special arrangements with strings or horns, you might need a band for that. And then again, if you like a clubby feel for your dance floor where songs are mixed in with one another, you might want a DJ for that. If you like the entertainment value and energy of a big group of live musicians, a band will be your best bet. But if you need to keep your entertainment costs more reined in, a DJ might be a great solution for you. Then again, you might also decide to reject the idea that either or is how it has to go and find an option that allows you to combine both live music and a DJ. Nowadays, there are a number of companies that can offer you multifaceted entertainment solutions. Sometimes the either or is just an old school thought, and maybe you can or should get more creative than that with your wedding. Regardless of what you choose, we hope your wedding entertainment is amazing and that whichever vendor or vendors you choose help make it an unforgettable time for you and your guests. If you're looking for more awesome wedding planning tips, check out the next video linked on screen for tips on how to make your own DIY donut wall.